Hello friends, and welcome back to A Garden Named Bill. Week 30 of 30, we made it. I think next year I'm going to revise what I consider my growing season, because 30 weeks, not really practical. 26, 27 is more like it. Although I think next year I'll be starting some things I'll consider the start in like March, you know, with my seed starting indoors and stuff. Anyways, hey, it snowed. That's kind of cool. I was thinking I'd be coming to you today showing you all the leaves that I put to cover my beds, which I did, but now they've been covered with snow. We got 3 inches of snow and it's not even Halloween yet, but that's just how things go. Let me show you around. So this is more snow than we had even the very first week of our growing season. You didn't see anything like this. Everything has been taken apart. It's been 8 or 9 days since the last garden tour was filmed. I got all of our creative placemaking items out, pulled out all the tomatoes, and I cut down the ferns for the asparagus, and everything got mulched. And these raspberries I think I'm going to cut in the springtime. Everything can just go to sleep now. Well, there's really no point in any sort of week ahead or highlights, but I will show you nonetheless. You can see I've got tons of leaves around still, because I would say probably 70% of the leaves are still on the trees, although they're falling rapidly. All the frost and the heavy snow that we had, they're bringing them down. But these beds are full with leaves on top. More importantly, like underneath the snow here, you brush it aside, you can see that I've got I piled it high about a foot, and then it packs down to about 4 or 5 inches. Should be good coverage for the winter. It's a really good year. This is a short video. I'll do some sort of a better retrospective soon enough, I promise. But I really enjoyed it, learned a lot of things. I think in short, we made the most out of the very wet May and June and got ridiculous amounts of raspberries, which is great. The wetness and the coolness of the season in general led to later harvests for tomatoes, but they still produced quite well. My squash and gourds didn't produce as well, except for the spaghetti squash, which was out of this world. Got a huge harvest of potatoes, carrots, a lot of things that we had processed and put in our freezer in the basement. And now that we've got snow on the ground, this is like prime soup season for us. So we're starting to pull those things up and put them into soups. I'm really excited already for next year, but I just have to remember to enjoy this and move on. We've got Halloween coming on Thursday, and then it's November. And I'm one of those people that goes straight into Christmas mode with music and decorations as soon as possible, because it's a fun, happy time for us. And after the holidays are done, come January 1st, my brain starts thinking, ooh, soon I can start planting seeds, you know, to start them in February and March. Yeah. You all get your garden pulled out or taken care of and finished in your area? Everything is done. All of our flower transplants and things have already gotten into the ground. So this is really the end. All I have to bring in are a couple yard decorations in the back, and then we just watch as the green leaves turn colors and all the tree leaves fall, and then the snow covers it all up too. Thanks a lot for tuning in this year. I had a lot of fun. Made all 30 weeks except for week 17. It was good. I got a lot of great pictures. I have ideas for what I want to do for a big year recap video, and I think it should be pretty enjoyable. So I guess you can get excited for that when the time comes. That's it. Thank you again for everything. I hope your garden was equally satisfying. Until next time. Bye.